did this work. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to make this responsive. So let's bring up the mobile screen. Let's say 500. Here we go. See, it's crushing the search box and everything. So what we need to do, we need to fix it. For that, we need to write the media screen. So let me make it side by side so that we can see it. Okay, so scroll down and write at media screen and max width of 525 pixels. 525 pixels. Open it. So first we need to make the dot container. So because now the container is not taking the 100 pixels, that's why you can see it's pushing it much further inside, because the container length because now this menu width is 68 pixels now. So we need to calculate it again with calc out of 100%, reduce it 68 pixels from it. Now you can see it's moved further back. Then what we need to do is we need to target the input box which is inside the top container, and we need to make the width as 120 pixels. See, now the width is 120 pixels. Now still it's in the 120 pixels only. So when I'm hovering it, it's need to move much further. So insert 101. It should be top of this profile. That means when I focus this input box, it should expand again. So that for that dot top container dot input box input, I need to make the width again as 320 pixels. So that will makes, okay, not why, oh my god, I need to add the focus effect. That means only when that input is focused, okay, when I focus it, it should be expanded. Apart from that, it should remain still. But see, it's happening very instantly. So let's add the same transition effects. Copy it and then paste it over here, but this time not transform, this time it's going to have for width. See, now we have this nice transition effect for it. So it's perfectly done. Okay, so next what we need to do, we need to target this. Let me expand it. Now we need to target this bottom container. Okay, so I hope we finished the top container. Yes, we finished the top container. So let me open the bottom container. So just give me a minute. Let me open the coding over here in my next screen. Okay, so now we finished this top container, so we don't need to worry about this anymore. And here I need to create one more container called main container.js, and then I'll create, let me give me a minute, I'll close all these things. I need to open that file. Where it is? Come on, find it. Main container, where are you? Main container. Here it is. I'm sorry, it's taking much long time to select that file from this bunch of folders. So I'm opening it in my another screen so I can see that coding. Okay, so now we need to create a main container, and we need to create a more file called main container.css, because this is going to be a very big also we'll make it as a separate CSS instead of writing everything in the container itself. So I'll close it and let me import it. So first let me create it, then I'll import it over here, main container. So close it. Now it's imported. Then now we don't need to worry about the container.js. We'll close it. Okay, if you have a look at it, this main container, see what's happening. We're having two divisions, right? 1 and 2. So we can break this one as one division and this one as another one division, left and right. Inside the left you have two divisions, inside the right you have two divisions. Like that we can break it. Okay, so let's create the main container now.